Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate the complete school bus system solution.
Trim the wire ends of the BSD siren. Strip the wire. Trim one wire end of the inspection button. Strip the wire. Strip insulation from the end of the display cable. Connect the 4G antenna. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna. Connect the GPS antenna. Connect the speaker to the SPK port. Connect the video cable. Connect the ADAS camera using a 1-to-2 splitter cable. Connect the inner view camera. Connect the BSD right camera. Connect the BSD left camera. Connect the backside camera. Connect any extra cameras you have. Connect the AV cable. Connect the power supply cable of the display screen. Hook up MDVR video output. Complete the wire connection. Connect the I/O cable. Assemble RFID card reader. Wire RFID to MDVR serial port. Assemble accessories for the inspection button. Connect inspection button to MDVR serial port 1. Assemble the BSD siren. Wire the BSD siren to MDVR serial port 1. Connect the UPS power. Connect the power cable. Powered by adapter, indoor demo only.
Remember to like and follow.